Who is he?
He is my English teacher.
What's his name?
His name is Mr. Kara.
Where is Mr. Kara?
He is in the fruit garden.
What is the name of the fruit tree?
It is a fig tree.
Where are they?
They are in the apple orchard.
What color are the apples?
They are red.
What color is the boy's hat?
It is white.
What color is the grandfather's shirt?
It is blue.
Where is she?
She is in the classroom.
What color are her eyes?
They are green.
Where is he?
He is in the classroom.
What color is his hair?
It is blonde.
What is this?
It is a cat.
Where is the cat?
It is on the bed.
What is that?
It is a horse.
Where is the horse?
It is in the field.
Where are they?
They are in the cafeteria.
Where is the cafeteria?
It is at school.
Who is she?
She is my mother.
Where is your mother?
She is in the kitchen.
Who is he?
He is my father.
Where is your father?
He is at the office.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss new videos.